Hey, what's your name, girl? Tony. See, come out here with me. Come on. What's your name? 13. What you want to be when you grow up, Jasmine? She's not stuck. Hey. Hey, fix that. Fix that. What's your name, girl?
Erica.
How old are you?
I'm 10.